Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to retrieve your Steam account username when you've forgotten it. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to store.steampowered.com. This is Steam's official store page where you'll begin the account recovery process. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. After clicking sign in, you'll be taken to the login page. Here, instead of entering your credentials, look for and click on the option that says Help, I can't sign in. This will take you to Steam's account recovery section where you can get assistance with various login issues. On the account recovery page, you'll see several options for different login problems. Click on I forgot my Steam account name or password. This specific option is designed for situations exactly like yours where you need to recover your username or reset your password. Now you'll need to provide some information to verify your identity. Enter either your email address or phone number in the designated field. Make sure to use the contact information that's associated with your Steam account, as this is how Steam will verify that the account belongs to you. Next, you'll need to complete a CAPTCHA verification. Check the box beside I am human to begin the process. A reCAPTCHA challenge will appear asking you to identify certain images or complete a puzzle. Answer it carefully and then click Next. You may be asked to verify again with another reCAPTCHA challenge, so complete it and click Verify to continue. Once you've passed the verification, click the search button. Steam will now look up your account using the email address or phone number you provided. This process usually takes just a few seconds as the system searches through its database. On the next screen, click Email and Account Verification Code. Steam will send a verification code to your email address to confirm your identity. This is an important security measure to ensure that only you can access your account information. Now, open a new tab in your browser and check your email inbox. Look for the email from Steam containing the verification code and account recovery information. Once you find it, click on Resume Recovery in the email. This link will take you back to Steam's website to complete the recovery process. Finally, you'll see your username displayed under Account Name. This is the username you've been looking for, and you can now use it to log back into your Steam account. And that's it, you've successfully retrieved your Steam account username using your email address and Steam's account recovery system. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.